9 days basically to be rescued by American emergency. It was basically around the 4 to 5 days. My friend couldn't take it anymore.
My father fled Cuba when he was a teenager, and he spent 9 days in the ocean, pretty much seeking freedom. He left not knowing where he would go, how he would end up. He just knew that he wanted something more. I didn't really understand his story until I was a bit older. There has to be a sort of strength that comes within to decide that I'm leaving everything behind, I'm leaving my home country to start a new life from scratch. I think the biggest lesson I've learned from my father is that of resilience. Ever since I was a child, he would tell me, even when things get hard, find a way, even if it seems impossible. And that is actually something that I've brought into my practice. During my first year of law school, and it was that same fear in the eyes of the clients that I served back then, that I knew this is what my dad must have felt when he started his journey to the US. And that's when I realized that this journey was more of a personal journey for me. Helping families navigate the complexities of the immigration system is probably the most fulfilling part of my job. When I work with clients who haven't seen their family in decades, I think of my first client who cried in my office, got her work permit and was able to see her twins that she hadn't seen in over 15, 20 years. That is what keeps me going, because this work matters, and I know I was meant to do it. Putting it simply, we're personal, we're human, and we never forget the why behind our work. Every step forward feels like I'm giving someone else the shot that my dad was given decades ago.